everybody, it's Tiffany here and we are back with an all new video. We're heading to the Dollar Tree to see all of their new items this week, and I'm hoping we can find some specialty items. Maybe we'll find some treasures, maybe we'll find some hidden gems. And also, have you heard that Dollar Tree is now like raising some of their prices on some products? So I really want to go in and see what those products are. I've seen a few in our last few videos, so let's see if there's anything else. So if you're ready, let's go. There's so many Easter home decor. Look at this one. It says Easter egg farms, bunny treats sold here. Happy Easter. That's like a little egg shaped. Look at the little bunnies. So cute. Hello, welcome friends. Hippity hoppity. I love this one. Hop on in, every bunny. So cute. Love the little camper one right here. Look at the glitter. These are so nice for just $1.25. Okay, they only have one of these left, and I can see why, because it is so cute. Look at the little garland of bunnies. Easter bunny, stop here. Hippity hoppity. Carrots for the Easter bunny. And welcome to our carrot patch. They have a lot of Easter basket items that you could stuff. Look at this little hopping toy. That's a little Easter bunny. They have a little chicken. Looks like you just wind it up and it kind of hops around. That's really cute. They've got some Easter gummies, which is really just some erasers. They have these fun little whack-a-pack balloons. So what you do with this is you actually hit this and then it expands into a balloon. It's pretty cool. They also have gotten all of their flip-flops in for the summer, so huge stock right now at the Dollar Tree. All right, guys, can you guess what this is? It's a makeup sponge set. So it's like one of those makeup sponges, but it's in a little ice cream. That's hilarious. If you're needing some St. Patrick's Day, oh, I love this. Look at these little LED string lights, and those are so cute. They're like in the shamrock shape. I love that. You can get your hat. You can get some flowers. They even have some headbands, foam stickers. Okay, a little tie. We got some necklaces right here and some gold coins. If you're looking to do some gardening, come to the Dollar Tree because they have a lot of seeds to start. They've got lots of flowering seeds. These look like these are probably $1.25, but let me, oh, what? They have microgreens here. If you haven't tried microgreens, y'all, this is like, if you want to get started in gardening, this is the way to go, is start with microgreens. You seed them to the time you eat them. It's like 10 to 14 days, and you can put them on your salad. Highly recommend doing this. So what do you get with this one? A mix of some hot mustard greens. This looks delicious. I think I'm going to try this. And if you're just looking for some regular seeds, they do have some for $1. They have a plastic watering stake. Y'all, this is a great deal for $1.25. You can also use these if you're planting tomatoes because you don't want to actually water the leaves on your tomato plants. You want to water them from the ground. And so they have these. That's a really great deal. For $1.25, they have some plant clips. These are great, again, if you are doing tomatoes or even cucumbers. This is a 20 piece. I'm actually going to be grabbing some of these for my garden this year. Okay, have y'all seen the pink stuff cleaning paste? Y'all, Dollar Tree has the dupe of that. I wonder how well that works. I may have to try that. Would you guys like to see me try the difference? Because I have some of that pink stuff at home. Let's see the consistency. What do y'all think? Should I try a video on that? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the first that I've seen this washing machine cleaner. So it looks like it removes odor-causing residue in any washer. So if you have like towels that come out a little stinky, I guess this would help. Y'all, I just found this Dermasil Extra Moisturizing Hand Wash for $1.25. Now, I just looked on Amazon and you can get 2 of these for $16.99. But here at the Dollar Tree, you're going to get it for $2.50. And I just smelled it. It smells so good. It's like a light cherry almond scent. It is so, so good. But wow, I mean, I think we struck gold today at the Dollar Tree. I just checked on Amazon for this Delta Home hand soap. They're $14.99, as you can see right here. And they also have a lavender scent and a eucalyptus scent as well. And look at these. These are huge, 16 ounces. This is a rosemary scent, cinnamon clove, spiced pumpkin. So I'm assuming they're here at the Dollar Tree just because these are very much fall scents and a crisp apple, but I mean, you're saving a ton of money and you can just stock up for the year. These are also made with essential oils. I also found this Essentials with Gentle Baking Soda, liquid hand soap, the scent of tropical mango. I did search this up on Amazon and they're going for $20 each, although it is a 14 ounce and this is a 12 ounce, but still, I don't know. We're just hitting the jackpot today with the hand soaps. They also have the matching body wash, and these are going for like $10 on Amazon. And you have two different scents, Clearwater and Juniper Berry. If you haven't seen, they have raised all of their Coca-Cola products to $1.75. These hidden prices that Dollar Tree is doing, I don't even know what to think anymore. It's just crazy because now you're going to come in here and you're going to have to wonder, is this $1.50? Is this $1.75? Is it $1.25? But I am glad that they did label it, and so when you get up to the cash register, you're not going to be surprised. I finally found the mixed freeze-dried fruit. Now, we have picked up the strawberry ones before, and they were so delicious. They were crunchy. They tasted like candy. And then someone commented that, hey, that's probably because they have some added sugar. So, as you can see, there is 14 grams of sugar in this one. Well, let's see if they added it. Yep, banana, strawberries, and sugar, plus mulberries. But, hey, it was really good. And this whole package is 60 calories. So, I mean, I think it is a little bit better choice versus a candy bar. Prime energy drink is at the Dollar Tree. What is going on? This is flavored blue raspberry. I'm really surprised that this is here because Prime is a really expensive energy drink. It was actually created by a YouTuber from what I hear, but this is the sugar-free one and it's only 10 calories. Let's head over to the freezer section. They've got some mochis here, cookies and cream, sweet mango coconut. Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? That is Cherry Garcia. Okay, it's cherry ice cream with cherries and fudge flakes. That looks really good. Let's see. Oh, they even have a chocolate fudge brownie. How perfect is that? You just want to have a little pick-me-up in the afternoon. Yum! Looks like cookie dough is out of stock. They even have some, oh my gosh, a cookie sandwich, M&M's. Yum. I'm getting hungry. Circling back around the Easter aisle, and I can't believe I even missed these, but look how cute these hand soaps are. They're little chicken, and I also saw these little bunny right here. How cute and festive is that? And then I saw these adorable little tub, and there are 2 pieces. You can put like candy inside of here. That is so cute. Oh, fabric gift bags, and then I just thought this was so cute. A little reusable Cottontail Farms. And we also found these cute little candy dispensers. Look, that is in the shape of a bunny. And we have a little egg. I wonder if they work. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That would work. Put like little M&Ms in there. I love it. What did you think about all of those hand soaps that we found at such a great price? Now, have you seen any kind of deals like this at your Dollar Tree? Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have. Now, we did ended up snagging a few of those Dermacell soaps because my daughter is very sensitive to soaps, so that was a great deal, and I'm excited we found that. Well, guys, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!